Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to place orders in future contracts. Here's my market watch. If you don't have any future scripts added in it, just click on the search bar, type in the index future or stock future along with the expiry you desire. In my case, I'm typing Nifty for the expiry of 30 Jan. Here you can see Nifty expiry 30 Jan for the year 2025, F which means future is displayed. Simply click on the index, click on buy, add the number of quantity based on the lot size, meaning if you want to place 2 lots of Nifty, the minimum lot is 25. So you can type 50 directly for 2 lots, or you can also increase or decrease the quantity via the plus and minus tab below the swipe button. Then you can fill in your price and other details based on your requirement and then swipe to place the order. Similarly, if you want to place a selling order, you can directly click this tab which displays B and S. It will direct you to the selling feature, or you can go back and click the sell tab. Then enter the lots, the price and other details and then swipe to sell.